Hello future mathematicians, welcome to Arif Sir Science Hub. Let's solve the problem on the screen. So we have to find the value of x. So how we can simplify this? So we have to take the LCM of 5 and x. It should be 5x. So if we multiply 5x by 5, then it should be x, and if we multiply with 3, then it should be 3x, plus if we multiply this x with 5x, then 5 will remain, and 4 into 5 is equal to 20. If we cross multiply this, then 3x plus 20 into x equal to 50x. So we can easily, for this x, 3x plus 20 equal to 50x divided by x, we can just cross this. Then 3x equal to 50 minus 20, or x is equal to 30 by 3. That means 10. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, follow and share. Thank you.